Okay, so here, as in the previous class, we have designed 3:8 decoder by using 2 to 4 decoder. Now today we will be designing 4 to 16 decoder by using 3 to 8 decoder. Now 4 to 16 decoder will definitely have 4 inputs, and since we are having 4 inputs, we'll have 16 output. That is the depending on the combinations of the input, will get the output. So when if we are having 4 input, let us take D3, D2, D1 and D0. These are our 4 inputs, and if these are the 4 inputs, the output that is high will be depending on the combination of D3, D2, D1 and D0. So when we are giving 0, 0, 0, 0, the output that goes high will be O0. For 0, 0, 0, 1, it is O1. For 0, 0, 1, 0, it's O2. For 0, 0, 1 and 1, it's O3. For 0, 1, 0, 0, it's O4. For 0, 1, 0, 1, it's O5. For 0, 1, 1, 0, it's O6. 0, 1, 1, 1, it's O7. 1, 0, 0, 0, it's O8. 1, 0, 0, 1, O9. 1, 0, 1, 0, O10. 1, 0, 1 and 1, O11. 1, 1, 0, 0, O12. 1, 1, 0, 1, O13. 1, 1, 1, 0, O14. 1, 1, 1 and 1, O15. In the previous class, we wrote it in terms of all the outputs, and we have written 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Like that we have done in the previous class. But you can even write it in this form, that these are the combinations of the input, and accordingly we'll get only these combinations high. That is, for this combination, O0 goes high. For this combination, O1 goes high. What does that mean? That means that the rest of the other combinations are low. Clear? So that is the only meaning, that only this output will go high, and the rest of the output for this combination is low. Okay? So this is how we write. But our purpose is to use 3 line to 8 line decoder. हमें ये use करके ये design करना है. So let us take 3 line to 8 line decoder. This is my 3 to 8 decoder. And definitely I'll use 2 3 to 8 decoder. This one is second 3 to 8 decoder. Here, this is my first 3 to 8 decoder. This is my second 3 to 8 decoder. Now, how many inputs do I have? I have 4 inputs here, because I need to design 4 to 16. So, I'll be having 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is, let us take D3. This is D2. This is D1. And this is D0. D3, D2, D1 and D0. So, we'll be giving these 3 inputs to both the decoders. This is given here also, and this is given to the second decoder also, and this is given to the second decoder. So both the inputs, that is D2, D3, D2, D1 and D0 are given to both the decoders. And what happens to D3? It is connected through an inverter to this decoder and directly to this decoder. Okay? So it is connected through an inverter to first decoder and directly to the second decoder. Now what happens here when D3 is low? When D3 is low, first decoder enables and second decoder disables. Second decoder is disabled when D3 is low. That is the important point. When this is 0, you need to just understand, when this is 0, through an inverter, this goes high. यहाँ पर ये 1 हो जाएगा. Clear? Because this is connected through an inverter. So when this is 0, the first decoder is enabled. And since this is 0, this is completely 0. So the second decoder is disabled. This is the important point that we need to understand. Now when T3 is high, first decoder is disabled and second decoder is enabled. This is the only concept. When D3 is high, this is through an inverter, this becomes 0. And when this D3 is high, this will be enabled. That is the thing that we need to understand. So it is coming from here itself. As we could see, all these values are 0. So for the first 8 combination, we'll be getting the outputs. This is O0, O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6 and O7. These are the outputs that we'll be getting when D3 is 0. Clear? Now when D3 is 1, we'll be getting the outputs O8, O9, O10, O11, O12, O13, O14 and O15. These are the 8 outputs. This will be getting when D3 is low, and this will be getting when D3 is high. Clear? So this is how we'll be designing our 4 to 16 decoder by using 3 to 8 decoder. So these are the outputs that will go high with the different combinations of D2, D1 and D0 only when D3 is 0. That is when D3 is low. And these are the outputs that will go high depending on the combination of D2, D1 and D0 only when D3 is 1. That is when D3 is high. Clear? So from this we are very much clear that when D3 is high, these are the set of outputs. When D3 is low, these are the set of outputs. Is this clear, everyone? Anyone who is still not clear? This is very simple. Is this clear, students? This is what you'll have to design and explain if you get the question. Design 4 to 16 decoder using 3 line to 8 line decoder. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आप ये ड्रॉ करोगे. This is the truth table that we get this output by this combinations for 4 to 16. Now after this, since we have to make use of 3 to 8 decoder, we'll be designing 2 3 to 8 decoder and we'll be having 4 inputs. Now the 3 inputs, these are my LSB and this is MSB. Don't forget to mention the LSB and MSB. This is LSB and this is MSB, and only the MSB is always taken as enable input. MSB ही enable रहता है. Just remember this concept. Only the MSB, that is most significant bit, is considered as a enable input. No other bit can be taken as an enable input because that will completely change the combinations. Combination पूरा change हो जाएगा. Are you getting my point? Only the MSB is considered as a enable input. Clear? Is the concept clear, everyone? Anyone who is having any doubt in this one? Is this clear? Reply fast. If it is clear, I'll proceed further. Okay. So this is the concept of 3 to 8 decoder use करके we have designed 4 to 16 decoder. Here, now the next is BCD to decimal decoder. Now for BCD to decimal decoder, can anybody tell what would be the number of input and the number of output? BCD to decimal decoder. Yes, I'm waiting for your reply. Just turn on your mic and reply. I can't see the chat here. Tell me first. हमें BCD to decimal decoder design करना है. What will be the number of input and the number of output? Anyone? BCD to decimal.
4 to 8.
Ma'am, 4 inputs.
18
Yeah.
output.
4,
18 output.
4 input.
18 output. I'm telling 4 to the BCD to decimal. BCD input रहेगा, so definitely you will have all 10 inputs. Sorry, 4 input. BCD तो 4 bit रहता है, so you will be having 4 inputs. Clear? And the decimal is the output. हम 4 bit से कितने decimal को कोड करते हैं? 4 bit
0 to 9.
decimal को कोड करते हैं. Yes, just 0 to 9. Clear? 0 to 9 मतलब सिर्फ 10. Is this clear? Just 10. So we'll be having 4 inputs and 10 outputs. That's it. We'll be having 4 inputs, that is A3, A2, A1 and A0. These are our 4-bit BCD and the outputs D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8 and D9. I'll be having 10 outputs. That is the thing that you need to know. This is BCD to decimal decoder. Matlab, it's very simple. For any 4 input combinations, as this is a decoder, only one output goes high. एक ही output at a time will be high. That's very clear. जब एक ही output high रहेगा, so depending on the number of combinations, that is if I am writing A3, A2, A1 and A0 with the combinations for 0, 0, 0, 0. What would be the output for 0, 0, 0, 0? क्या होगा मेरा output? The output will be
0.
Yes. The output will be
0.
D0. For 0, 0, 0, 1, it's D1. And for 0, 0, 1, 0, it's D2. 0, 0, 1 and 1, D3. 0, 1, 0, 0, D4. 0, 1, 0, 1, D5. 0, 1, 1, 0, D6. 0, 1, 1, 1, D7. Then 1, 0, 0, 0. It's D8. And 1, 0, 0, 1, D9. Now, I have a question. If I give any other input combination apart from this, what will happen? Yes? Because with the 4 bits, how many input combinations are possible? With 4 bits, how many inputs are possible? We have illegal, that is correct, because BCD don't have these 6 codes which are known as illegal codes. Definitely we don't allow those codes in BCD. BCD accepts only these 10 combinations which are the legal combinations. Clear? That's correct. If we are giving illegal code, none of the outputs will go high. Will not get any output at all. That is what is a BCD 2 decimal decoder. ये आप design करोगे BCD 2 decimal decoder. And for designing this, you will have this input combination. So D0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. You already know what it will be. This is A3 bar, A2 bar, A1 bar, A0 bar, and accordingly you can write the expressions from D0 to D9 and you can design this. It's very simple. Just do it yourself, try it yourself, and don't forget to write the MSB and LSB here. For only these combinations, we'll get these as an output. And if we are giving any of the invalid combinations, none of the outputs will go high. That is, will not get any output at all in the decoder, in BCD 2 decimal decoder. And this is our block diagram, wherein we'll be giving 4 inputs and 10 outputs. That's it. Clear? So this is our BCD 2 decimal decoder. Now I have an important concept about BCD 2 7-segment decoder. Do you know about 7-segment? किसी को पता है कि 7-segment क्या होता है? Yes, anyone who knows about the 7-segment? Yes, what is it?
मैम कैलकुलेटर में यूज होता है.
कैलकुलेटर में यूज होता है.
7-segment display.
7-segment
display.
So we have a display in 7-segment form. We'll be having all 7 LEDs that goes high for our decimals. That is, for all 0 to 9, it goes high. Clear? So depending on the combinations of the inputs, correct, that will be having the LEDs, 7-segment display. So depending on the combinations of the input, these LEDs goes high, and we can see the combinations at the output. It looks like this. Here we have the first display, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. This is our 7-segment display. Is this clear? Is it visible, students? The 7-segment display. So here we have 7 segments: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And this goes high depends on the combination. ये क्या क्या output देगा? It will just give the output from 0 to 9. उससे ज्यादा तो आपको ये show नहीं कर सकता. Depending on the input, again ये आपको output देगा. Now since input is also BCD, BCD में भी हम 0 से 9 तक ही input देते हैं, and that is what we could see as a 7 segment. ठीक है? So here when we are giving input, when we are giving A3, A2, A1, A0, we'll be getting the outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the outputs that goes high depending on the combinations of A3, A2, A1, and A0. Now if I am giving 0, 0, 0, 0, it should show 0. Matlab A should go high, B should go high, C should go high, D should be high, E should be high, F should be high. That is, it should look like this. Clear? For this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G will be low. ये concept clear है? Is this becoming clear, students? What I am telling, with the combination of A3, A2, A1, A0, if I am giving 0, 0, 0, my these segments, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, should go high, and only G will be low. सिर्फ G ही low रहेगा. The rest will be high for 0. Now if I am giving 0, 0, 0, 1, कौन कौन सा segment high होगा? कौन कौन सा segment high होगा? Yes, tell me. Which segment will go high? From A, B, C.
मैम B और C.
It is just B and
C.
Correct. Only B and C will go high. 1 and 1. Rest will be 0. For 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. For 0, 0, 1, 0.
F and C low.
F and C low. Correct. तो ये आपका ऐसा होगा. This is our 2. So A is high, B is high, C will be low, D is high, E is high, F is low, G is high. For 3, 0, 0, 1 and 1, it is A, B, G, C and D. It will look like this, right? So it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, 0, 0. G will go high. For 0, 1, 0, 0. For 4, what will go high? 4 is just this. This is 4. Right? AED. What is it? AED क्यों लिखा है? AED will go low. Okay, okay. A, E and A is low, B is high, C is also high, D is low, and E is low, F is high. Okay, and G is also. 0 1 0 1. For 5, F B G C. This one, correct. This is A is 0, B is high, sorry, B is low. B is 0. C is high, D is high, E is low. Then F and G is high. Then 0 1 1 0. For 6, 6 will look like,
Only B will look.
okay, only B will low. It's 1 0 1 1 1 1 and 1. Correct. 0 1 1 1. 7. मैम A 1 होगा. A तो 1 ही किया है 6 में. 5 में भी. अच्छा 5 में भी 1 होगा. ठीक है. Correct now. For 7, A, B, C. A, B, C. And rest all are 0. 8 में क्या होगा?
All high.
All high.
All high.
9,
E will be low.
only E will be low. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are high. Clear? अब इसको डिजाइन करना है. How will you design it? Designing part is important. This is what we have just written, the input output combinations. ये आपका input output combination है. आप इसको डिजाइन कैसे करोगे? Designing is very very important. Can anybody tell how will you design it? Yes.
Ma'am, K map.
K map से correct. You'll have to design it. D will also go low in 9. 9 में D क्यों low होगा? हम 9 ऐसे लिखते हैं. Will not write in this way. हम ऐसे करके ऐसे करते हैं. जैसे हम 6 को ऐसे लिखते हैं. This is how we write 6. This is how we write 9. Clear? So you have to take this also. So we were discussing about designing of BCD to 7-segment display. These are our input combinations. These are our output combinations. What will we do? For this, we'll be having a outputs. This is our input combination. A3, A2, A1, A0. Here it's A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are our outputs. And here I'll be having my 7-segment. These are my 7 segments. ये मेरे 7 segment है. So I need to connect this with A. Clear? This will be connected with this segment. This is B. B should be connected with this particular segment. This is C. C should be connected with this segment. Clear? D. This is D. D should be connected with this segment. This is the connection. This is E. E should be connected with this segment. This is F. F should be connected with this particular segment. Now I need to connect G. So let me take it from here. This is connected to G. Okay. Is the connections clear? This is how the design of BCD to 7 segment will look like. At this outputs, the segments will be connected and the segments will be placed so that it looks like a 7 segment display. मतलब A की position ये होगी B, C, D, E, F, G. All the positions should be in this manner. Otherwise it will not look like 7 segment. अगर आप A, B, C, D ऐसे लगा दोगे, definitely आपको 0, 1, 2 समझ में नहीं आएगा. The connection should be done in such a way कि आपका जो 7 segment display है, वो आपका ऐसा position होना चाहिए. Clear? ये हम लोग lab में भी design करते हैं. BCD to 7 segment display. Now to design it, we need to write the expression for all the outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. For A, we'll do with K map. What are our input combinations? क्या है input combination? Input combinations are A3, A2, A1, and A0. These are our input combinations. So we'll take 4 variable K map. These are our 4 variable K map. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is for A, just for A. Where my A is going high? Yes, tell me first. Where A is going high? कहाँ पर A high है? फटाफट जल्दी जल्दी रिप्लाई करो. ये आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो. A कहाँ पर हाई जा रहा है? For 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the combinations except 1 and 4. Correct. It is going high for 0, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now what about the other combinations in BCD? What do we do in case of BCD? For 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do we do if the BCD is input? What we do for 10 to 15 combinations? Yes, reply. They are always don't care. So for these combinations, it will be a don't care. अब इसको सॉल्व करो कि इसमें क्या क्या रहेगा. कितने आपके क्वार्ट्स रहेंगे, कितने पेयर्स रहेंगे. Is there any octet present here? Yes. Is there any octet present here?
No, ma'am.
No. No octet, is it?
मैम क्वाड बन रहा है.
Octet नहीं है.
मैम चाहे तो ले सकते हैं.
मैम डोंट केयर के जगह 1 डालेंगे तो बन रहा है.
क्यों 1 डालेंगे हम डोंट केयर के जगह?
मैम डोंट केयर ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर डोंट केयर यूज करके आपका ऑक्टेट बन रहा है,
यस मैम बन रहा है,
तो आपको डोंट केयर को यूज करना है. इफ इट इज कमिंग इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑक्टेट और क्वाड,
तो 2 ऑक्टेट और 2 क्वाड बन जाएगा.
करेक्ट. विल हैव दिस वन एज एन ऑक्टेट. ये ऑक्टेट हो जाएगा, ये भी एक ऑक्टेट हो जाएगा. व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस विल बी अ क्वाड
and 4 corners. 4 corners.
Corners will be our next quad. 2 octets and 2 quads. Always make use of don't cares for any of the quad formation or octet formation. Let it be any number of don't cares used. जैसे जरूरी नहीं कि आपके बहुत सारे डोंट केयर्स यूज हो रहे हैं तो आप उसको यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको यूज करना है, ठीक है। अब इसका एक्सप्रेशन बताओ क्या आएगा, जल्दी से बताओ।
D3
For this octet,
A3
A3. For this octet,
A1
it will be just A1. For this quad,
A2 A0
quad, A2.
A2 A0
For this quad, corners, A3,
A3 and A1 I guess. That's it. A3 A1
A3, A0.
A3 A0
A3 नहीं है, A2 है. What is common in these two?
A2 A0
A2 is common, and in this one, A0 is common. So it will be A2, A0. Is it done? Clear, students? This is the output, the expression for A. मतलब अगर हमें A डिजाइन करना है, just a single segment of 7 segments, हमें ये combination करके डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा. Are you getting my point? You'll have to take A2 A0 and A2 A0 I've written twice, is it?
मैम बाहर आएगा वो A0 A2 में.
इसमें this is A2 and this is A0 and this one is A2 bar and A0 bar. Correct. A2 bar and A0 bar. What is happening, Lakshmi? Your background noise is very much noisy. So is this clear? The concept is clear, everyone? Clear or not? First tell me. This is how we'll write the expression for A. सिर्फ A का ही हुआ है. वैसे आप B, C, D, E, F, G सारा एक्सप्रेशन लिखोगे. बस सिर्फ लिखना है, उसको आप डिजाइन नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज डिजाइनिंग बिकम्स वेरी वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाएगा अगर आप इसको डिजाइन करोगे. वैसे आप B भी निकालोगे, C भी निकालोगे, D भी निकालोगे, E, F and G. So you'll be getting on total 7 expression by making use of K-map. And in all the expression, 10 to 15 will be your don't care.
मैम तो प्रैक्टिकली ये कैसे फैब्रिकेट होता है मैम, जब हम लोग डिजाइन नहीं कर सकते?
फैब्रिकेट होता है, ऐसे ही होता है. आप डिजाइन कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है. आपके जो बड़े बड़े सर्किट्स होते हैं वो तो डेफिनेटली बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रहते हैं, इतने इजी तो रहते नहीं है. लेकिन आप ऐसा नहीं कि डिजाइन नहीं कर सकते, बट इट विल बी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बहुत बड़ा सर्किट रहेगा. इट विल नॉट बी लाइक अ स्मॉल सर्किट. जैसे हमने डिकोडर डिजाइन कर लिया था इजीली विथ सर्टेन सेट ऑफ एंड एंड नॉट एंड ऑर गेट्स, ऐसा नहीं होगा. इसमें बहुत सारे आपके यूज होंगे, बहुत सारे एंड, बहुत सारे नॉट, बहुत सारे और गेट यूज होंगे. Clear? So here, since here it is 4 terms, A3, A1, A2, A0 plus A2 bar, A0 bar. तो इतने सारे आपके यूज होंगे सिर्फ एक A के लिए. वैसे आप B भी डिजाइन करोगे, C, D, E, F, G पूरा डिजाइन करोगे, सारे के सारे 7 सेगमेंट्स डिजाइन करोगे. Then only you will be able to design BCD to 7 segment decoder. Is the concept clear, everyone? किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ लो. आप डिजाइन कर सकते हो एंड बट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन द एग्जाम. अगर एग्जाम में आता है तो आप क्या करोगे वो ध्यान से सुन लो. सबसे पहले आप ये 7 सेगमेंट डिफाइन करोगे. You'll be defining the 7 segment that it is a 7 segment display where the displays are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. and with the BCD input combinations, you will write this truth table. That is, we'll have 4 input as BCD and we'll have 7 segment as our output. So with these combinations, we'll get these outputs high. That is for 0, 0, 0, 0, this output will go high and this will low. तो आप इसके अकॉर्डिंग पूरा ट्रुथ टेबल बनाओगे. Clear? Now since we are giving BCD as an input, our 6 invalid combinations are always there. तो वो आपके illegal combinations रहते हैं. So for finding out the expression for A, we'll make use of K-map, where the inputs are A3, A2, A1 and A0. तो ये K-map के through आप ये expression निकालोगे. Clear? And after finding the expression for A, similarly for BCD, EFG, you will just write the expression. That's it. So finally, आप ये design करोगे. That is 4 input combinations, 7 output combinations. These combinations, that is A is connected to the segment A, B is connected to the segment B, and accordingly all the segments are connected. That is G output is connected to the segment G. That's it. Similarly, B में भी don't care लगेगा, सब में don't care लगेगा, सभी में don't care लगेगा.